Hey guys, I just wanted to chip in and talk about what is currently happening regarding the statement is CIC Julius Malema and what General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi said. What happened there? It's about communication. I honestly don't know why General Mkhwanazi responded to the question the way he responded to Yagore. How did he meet the CIC? Because that is what caused this whole commotion. As the EFF members, we support General Mkhwanazi. We support what he's doing. We support it 100%. So he's been asked when or how did he meet the general. I listened to his response. He says, the first time I met the EFF lead, General Khan took me to him, and then if he had his consent regarding the EFF rally that was to be held there in KZN. And then he further said of which he could have met me in any way regarding that. And then he says, General Khan, I realized then that Khan is connected with a lot of politicians, and he even bragged about it. Ne? Fine, he said it like that. And then, okay, obviously, Khan, he initially told us about Khan, and then the good things that he did General Mkhwanazi has told us about Khan and the good things that he did, and at some stage he investigated him and found nothing wrong with what Khan has done, and then actually the SAPS is owing Khan. Basically, he means that even though currently Khan is associated with some corrupt dealings, there's a part of Khan that is good and that is great, that can be commended. Meaning that probably that is the reason why CIC is connected with Khan. It's for the good job that he's doing or was doing in the SAPS. And then we must remember also that Malema is a leader of a political party. He will have contacts of all these senior officials in all provinces, so that when there are issues that are raised, answers that are needed from the ground, he should be able to give his people information from the correct sources. Fine. Now we get to know, and which of course it is on record, that there was a time when Malema criticized General Mkhwanazi and the team in KZN for not arresting the killers of AKA, whereas the CCTV that captured the whole incident. It was on record. He criticized them. Yeah, and it was after he has told us about Mkhwanazi and the great job that he's doing there. Most of us were not aware of him, and Malema made us aware that there's a great general in KZN that is doing a great job. And then, regarding back to their meeting, then according to CIC, after he criticized him in public, and this was on record back in 2023. CIC came and reported that after the general had us criticizing him online on TV, in public, he asked for a meeting with me, and then he said he came and updated us about the AKA matter. Now, during this recent rally, voters registration, which was held at Gandhi at the headquarters of EFF. He is, of course, angry because of the way the general responded at the ad hoc committee regarding how they got to meet. Ne? He expected him to say, I requested a meeting with him so that I can brief him regarding the AKA Zmeda as to how far we are. And then General Khan arranged the meeting. So Malema wanted him to put it like that. But I don't know why I don't know why General Mkhwanazi didn't put it like that. I don't know why he omitted the fact that it was about the AKA murder, and then also it is him who asked for a meeting. And then on top of it, he also put that phrase Malema wanted to raise his concerns about the EFF rally security, of which he could have met with me anyway. I get confused when I get there. Okay, that you requested the meeting, but now you are saying Malema could have met with you in any way. Guys, now I wish they can come together in full view of the public so that they can clear this thing out, because there are two men that are trustworthy. I don't think they will lie for no reason. But these are two different statements. One of them is not telling the truth. But it's difficult to say Malema is not telling the truth, because he said this back in 2023 when there were no ad hoc committees, when there were no Malanga Commission. So that is the confusion here. This is what is causing the whole halabaloo. Remember, guys, the ad hoc committee and the Madlanga Commission, the core business of those two is to get proof and evidence, the allegations that says there is political interference in within the security agency of the country. Meaning that Babasa Gushisheng, the politicians, they capture the senior officials, like ba na le di dodgy deals tse ba nyakang go di dira, mapodisa kgono go se di lebelele, maybe like dilonyana tsa mmuto mapodisa a turn a blind eye. So if this thing here, General Khan and Malema and them meeting General Mkhwanazi is not ironed out, it looks like Malema is also amongst those politicians that are capturing the security agency of the country. So now, from where I stand, his anger is justified. That's him, that's his character, that's how he expresses himself when he's angry. I cannot say he's wrong or he's right by the way he expressed himself. But this was just, it's a communication issue. But I still don't understand why the general didn't put it the way it happened. I hope it will make sense to the people that wants to know the truth of why Malema responded like that. But for those of you that hate him anyway, I know this is even my explanation will just be a trigger. I know you can be there in the comment section swearing. It's fine, but it's a communication problem, and it needs to be ironed out. I don't know why the general asaibi agabotse tabi. No.